Everyone, I am Joel and today I will be performing an activity to show that xylem vessels transport water and minerals from the roots to the top of the plant. So, for this activity, I will first take a glass with some water. Now I will pour some food color into it. Now I will place the flower straight into the glass so its stem is completely immersed in the water. Now I will wait for few hours. After a few hours, we can observe that the petal of the flower has changed the color. This happens because the colored water travels upward through the xylem vessels present in the stem. This activity proves that xylem vessels transport water and minerals from the roots to all parts of the plant, including the top. Thank you for watching.